Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I got started on this. You'll see it in a future video what I did here. I'm testing a new peel off base coat out, and I'm going to finish up my design. I already have 2 layers of Modelones Italian on all of these fingers. This finger is pretty much complete, and what I did was just stuck a little bit of foil on. And this is the real gold foils. And I didn't learn my lessons from last time because I have sticky fingers and I didn't break it up ahead of time. Did not learn my lesson. You'll see. I am wear testing this gel peel off base coat on. And I'll link the video up above once it's available. I'm testing it out, seeing if it works for how I want it to work. Didn't mean to get that big of a piece. I did it again. I didn't want it right there. So you can see me messing around with gold foil again. This is actually gold leaf. I believe this is like that. This is like the stuff I used to craft with a long time ago. You want to make sure everything's flat before you top coat it. This one I had left a little spot, so I had to do a second top coat. But I really want to test out their top coat as well. So I'm not going to do a second coat on any of these nails, but I will do my regular top coat that goes with the manufacturer of the gel polish on some other nails. Let me cover this up before I blow it out of the way. And then I just have some little stickers. Figured I'll give stickers another shot. Just lining it up. I want to make sure, no matter what pattern I'm doing, that I'm not, what do you call it, getting it past the free edge, or you have to file it off the free edge, or if you get it too close to this end, it wouldn't be encapsulated in the color, or the top coat, rather. And I would pick this up just a hair if you don't want to file it off the end, like I don't want to. And then you can use your scissors to tap it down. You could put more on each. Ooh, yeah, let's try that. I'll not waste no sticker. See if we can manage to put a little on each side. Yes, I have drinking too much coffee today, which is any coffee whatsoever is too much coffee for me. I'm not a coffee drinker. Okay, silicone tool, out you come. You do not want to touch your gel polish. I did not wipe the techie layer off, so I wasn't sure what I was going to do. And the stickers are sticking fine to the techie layer. Normally you would take your sticker, you would wipe the techie layer off, but until I grabbed the stickers, I wasn't sure. I just have a bunch of gold stuff sitting here. I keep sliding the whole thing over. Ah. There we go, and press down. I know this is going to drive some people with OCD problems wild. It drives me a little wild sometimes, but luckily I can only see this half of my hand. I don't see this half, so no biggie, right? Let's see, what else am I gonna do? I don't know. I don't have nothing planned out. Let's get out. I have some glitters from the Nail Candy Shoppe sitting here. Hoodie season, I'm liking the leaves in this one. Autumn Walk has some too, but since the color that I chose doesn't quite match this, it matches some of these, so I'm gonna dig out some of these This is still testing out that base coat, and to tell you what base coat I'm testing is currently the Murron Peel Off Gel Base Coat Plus. I will, once all this, you know, chips or lifts or whatever, I will have a video up on my results of this endeavor. And what color is that? I don't know. Orange, I think. I wasn't liking how the wax was, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of their base coat. I decided to get out some of the Nail Candy Shoppe Silver and Gold just to accent it, and then I'm going to put some gold gel polish on the tip. But I'm going to put some gold on first anyway, so it'll give it a little bit more time to flatten everything out, test it out. Golden high heel from Modelones. Don't forget that I do have code NOI15 to save you 15% at modelones.com, and the same code saves you 15% at the nailcandyshoppe.com. They're always linked below for your convenience. Look at that. Oh, I don't use this color as much as I should. I was thinking about fading it into the glitter a little bit, just a random little, not really a French manicure, just a random little fade into the glitter. I'm going to give that a 30-second cure. Okay, I'm still wanting to test out their top coat, but I'm wanting to matte out one of my nails. I wanted to have some matte nails and glossy nails. Oh, I'll just go with the flow. And if you have your nails glossy or matte and you want to change them over, you can always add another layer of gel polish on top in the preferred form that you want. Say I have it glossy now, if I want to put it matte, I can matte it out. But I am testing out their top coat. And their top coat happens to be glossy. Just gonna put my hand in the lamp like this and cure in place unless it sticks. I just need it in there for like 5 seconds. So I'm gonna give these all a top coat and a cure and be right back with you because this is gonna be rather complicated. Okay everyone, this is my final look. I'm gonna have to get cleaned up because I had a horrible time with some of this stuff. I'd like to tell you how I got these on. I tried to film it. I don't know what happened to it. How I put these on was I took just a dollop of base gel, picked it up, and I just placed it on there. And I made sure that the base gel was covering, just a tiny bit covering and underneath. And then I took just a piece of plastic that all of our nail stuff comes in, and I went like this, and I put it in the nail lamp, and it held it down to match my C-curve. I used a little bit thinner piece of plastic. I just can't find it right now. It actually came on the bag of something, I don't know. But I just pushed it over, made sure it was flat. I put it in the nail lamp just like this. Just stuck my finger in there, let it cure, and I peeled it off. Then I put down the glitter and the glitter end. So let me get these cleaned up. I'll take some after pictures for you. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. Make sure you stay tuned for the pictures. You never know when there's going to be a cute birdie picture or something surprising at the end. Thank you everyone. Thank you Murron. I'm still testing out your product, the application video, y'all will see pretty soon. And you'll see all my final thoughts on that. Thank you, Model Ones, for these gorgeous gel polishes. Some I bought, some are samples. I didn't remember which. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I really appreciate every single minute you watch. Love you guys. Till next time, you be you, and I'll be me. Bye-bye.